Are you dealing with an issue where only one of your AirPods works and the other randomly cuts out? You're not alone. This is a common problem with a few possible causes, like connection glitches, dirt buildup, firmware issues, or battery imbalance. In this video, I'll walk you through clear, step-by-step solutions to help get both AirPods working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Clean your AirPods. Sometimes the reason one side isn't working is super simple: dirt or earwax buildup. Take a soft, dry, lint-free cloth and clean both AirPods. For the speaker mesh, use a soft bristled brush or a cotton swab. Make sure the charging points are also clean, both on the AirPods and inside the charging case. Once cleaned, pop them back in the case and see if that does the trick. Solution 2. Check stereo balance settings. Go to your iPhone settings and scroll down a bit and tap accessibility. Now scroll down again and tap audio and visual. After that, scroll down a bit and go to the balance section. Make sure the balance slider is set in the middle. If it's set to the left side or the right side, it can cause issues like this. So do this and get out from your settings. Solution 3. Reset your AirPods. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods and test the mic again. Hopefully with these steps, your problem should be fixed. Let me know if you're still facing issues in the comments. I'll try helping you out as much as possible. So, for now, I'll take my leave. Thanks a lot for watching.